and I read for you some Bible and the New Vision, and then it's Quran language too. Okay. Hello, double the talk a little bit. You ever have part of the so see the car back kalawaklan pen New Vision, New Vision or Pagate Mala the Lopag York Lord Seppo. Good morning. Thank you so much. Welcome to the Holy Bible Wars. Kita nak guna pasif lebak itu le lisosi attack itu di depan itu. Kita nak guna apa ini pergi kwa tamah tahu teninya ni pero de pakal tennis. Tahu tennis sedang metal le begitu cuma. Pala adu ngara begitu pala anga opahi begitu macam ni. Okay begitu malah opahi hilawe close siu aki close mana. Opahi hilo close siu. Awan ni metal tanah kora. Awan ni Jesus talk about the parable of the tunnel. Awan ni begitu malah kesai suku tu ada bakal wala ngalo ihi, wala adu ngaohi. Begitu macam ni tu. Okay. Kita nak guna apa ini pergi lekor kuati loh. Devara le tamu ni timile. Listen to another parable. Begitu nama dukana bakal tak ketu agak temi devara apa ini. Okay. There was a owners who planted a vineyard. Begitu nama le pua uwe tega apa ini devara. Tala hikasa tega tu lo aspi elo devara. Tala hikasa gani tu lo sepi alo no payro devara le okay he put an wall around it tala begitu mana wall sidane adu okay water pay ni no do gerakha o okay awe gerakha wala higi papa lo payro begitu mana tama tala meniti mile devara pay ni. Okay, dig and whisper. Okay, whispers and is and builds and the watch tower. When a packet malatama athala, taumupuni, do panido, lelo wele, pama hoko put supu, panic, do kulo, nosis peta apula apu, do mat. Thought plural do dule lowela pama hakopo supu dule lowera koara awani tennis dule lowera okay letano kura paini tebra lo munitimile okay then he rented the vineyards to some farmers and went away on a journey. Okay, say hi my friends. Hello my friends. See you. Thank you so much. Okay. Everyone. No payroll packet mala away ni. Okay. He Johnny. Away ni packet mala do lelo wela pa mahako subu do hata westwood cocky kokoro. Away ni hata westwood cocky tea the koko. Okay. One the harvest time approaches, he sent his servant to the tanners to collect his fruits. When he packed mala, okay. Panero, dollar he casaragane, to speak law, do garaka on lo. Do penny, devara, do to abutor, ke abutola tata sector, abutola tata sectorni. Di tu akaneba tata ni do ma aku apar pa lesu pama hako put pani o devara pan harvester. Okay. Pani do okay. Do pama hako put pani hini aku paro to wedga do mati wedga do kui we tega le lo awe devara dinit lo. Pani devara le. Then Tanner sees his servant. The big one killed another, okay, and stoned and third. Pagitera mala ma thidga, do pagitera mala to thidga, to where the guy. Do pocket mala quiz see where the guy. Not quiz where the guy. Okay. Then he sent other service to them. No pero a wethelo that over a kupwa agadaga su a wethi unilo dear penny. More than the first time, and the tenants treated them the same way. Pagdero mala tevra ani a caught it a blow away ani he taught it blow away the ma or di a lolo the same way she done it a lolo. Let us look up a cropathu patha let away law. We are the tenant or we are the land owner. This is a we should think carefully in our lifetime. Okay. The God putting us on the earth, take care of earth. No pero pakitete malumni last of all, he sent his son to them. They will respect my son, he said. Pakitete mala away tevra ke mimidini me do pakitete ma dollar kikitani ma apukwa le su talawani. Su odo siweda. Away they get you your pukwa away they get you your pukwa lotilo silo. Okay? This is a landlord. Think about it. They will respect my son. Okay. But when the tenant saw the son, they said to each other, this is hell come. Away ne mera tane taksalo away heli pero te or dinilo pay mimi to Pamahako Burbati Bukwane do silo attack the ku away e me Puanimba Taraga your heko mob Mathio do hine atane tarki do hoko put Tia Pukwane do silo attack the ku away me Puanimba Taragalo heko mob he Poma Mathio do hine atane tarki the Mathio hine we atane. So they took him and threw him out of the vineyards and killed him. Do banero whether he knew do quitikui or he knew we run quitikui. Suspe a lot clear do Mathio. They were up he knew where Matthew and all. Okay? Mathio. Let us go our pakro Sugumuta Latagi way sikolo. Therefore, when the owners of the vineyards comes, wise way he do to those tenants. Okay, me dinero a devra payni. Okay, Sapilogasani meheni kama we a wethi delay. Mother dinero to sapi a law agasahewe do kama pwa mahako put a pani delay devra dinner. Okay. Pero Tevra dile. He will bring those righteous to the righteous end. They reply, and he will rent the vineyards to other tenants, who will give him his share of the course of harvest time. Bagadete malo tagi way ni takamataro with the party lo tira. Do with the Siba or Kamahago qui, okay? Mother dinero to spare a logasa hewe do Kama Mapwa Mahako put upon a delay. Do with the Siba or Kamahago or Quipua Erdapani Namaro. Do Ngalo spare law Pomahako. I got a pot soup. La a hiki or Atathala a secretary. Law a secretary. Return. Hi, my friends. Okay. Speak a lola pamahaku aga tapa supula ake hiki ola atata a sectolo. Pagate mala pakevera wala uwe suwele pagate mala pangala utalo Kasaya palo pa alo. Do kasaya edo wera le pake hiki o atatu tatane lo. A secretary me bani lo. Okay, here talk about Jesus said to them, Have you never read in the scriptures? Kasay su teba within him. Okay. Le pat paydo quivera dile. The stone the builder rejects has come the capstone. The Lord has done this, and it is marvelous in our eyes. When it tevera Pagatera ma Jesus seba le patu hit the plan yoku where the planning. Get all lila ta atana coli ta matai hela jua do me ta lola le amenyane tita paba takweta apu norkoba takweta apu written. Okay, written. Away Pagatera malata mata sikolo. Okay, here is the 43 talk about little bit. I want to read for you. Therefore, I tell you that the kingdom of God will be taken away from you and given to a people who will produce its fruits. Away ni pakropatu patala ke pama jwata beta ma mitne lawani. We don't need to worry about so many things. Okay, you cannot produce fruits. That's fine. Okay, that's fine. But don't killing the owner. Okay, little go pakro patu pata leta umu face golom. Tebana de dilo, mata de no yesiba teba thileta. He talk with you about mule to odo. He law well potakalu aka ducato atatar palo potakalu. Pagaten malo pamata peta mani pama miteni wani tame he law le. Potagaga supuni mo aka hira wero aka podara way. Petabalo ma bibu or didiki. Okay. When it pakropatu patala bitampulo, we should think about in our lifetime. Okay. Rapero 44 it talk about he who fall on his stone will be broken to pieces. But he on who is fall will be crushed. I want a pathinyala Pame lotte love kuro pagabadu batida to silo. Okay. I want to learn me lotte ba puani pakatabuilo erotive. Do pala alohi will le I alo kakawelo. Mimi pera pala le I lotte le alo de gagani kama locale olo. Pagiterma kama locale olo. Okay, last one is Tevada pay delay. Okay. 45 when the chief priest and the Pharisee heard Jesus' parable, they knew he was talking about them. Bamanugulo papa said about Tinyawele, Kasaisu Katutala awati agiklule. Not to Paluda Kudo papa said it upon Nahu Takatul Paro, Tinyawele Akatutala awati agiklo. Let down a Kudara awati the pane. Kamadile. Penny, they looking for a way to arrest him. But they were afraid of the crown because the people heard that he was a prophet. Pagdera mala away ni do hika or basaro plipagomu weti ero hika plipagomu de pa. Agiri a weti paola widegalo. Pagamuni pawara kasai shula widegalo. We should think about in our lifetime. Okay. You think about Jesus is a great man. Jesus is the Son of Man. Or Jesus is the Son of God. Jesus is doing miracle thing. And Jesus is your Savior. Doesn't matter. Jesus spoke in the true way you should listen. Jesus spoke in the true way you should listen. Okay. Then I got a passigatolo, padugana jagluta, passigatolo, pagater malo pacalera, letametato. Pasana kiro, pamin na kasai sume, yuapukwa, pamin na kasai sula, Pakanyo pokwa, Pamina Kasai Sula, Amatalo Lati, Pamina Kasai Sulu Kasaywane, Pakaba Dukana Aglita, Loti Losele, Patamu Punilong. Kutaroni, Pakropatu Patala, Akatuara, Harbor of the Tennis Sidani, Metala, Pala Adulelo, Ata Omu, Opa Hipu, okay, a wet dulelo tani, Degani, a wet thick back, Tinya, Atami, Hikasaba. The Tanukutaroni, Pakropatu Patala, Patamupu, Le Patalatakipu, Kasunyaniki, Kutaro, don't be, okay, doing wrong. Think about by yourself. Thank you so much, my friends, my brother and sister. See you next time. God bless you all. God bless your families and then your friends. Bye bye.